Hey everyone, Aaron here from Gym Security. Today I'm going to talk to you about the service codes for Intercom and access control. So basically an Intercom, pretty straightforward. In front of your house, in front of your premises, in front of your commercial building, you're going to have a doorbell. So the doorbell or the button, you're going to press the button. It can be as simple as just audio, pressing the button, talking to someone that's inside the house, or it can be something as technical as that we have video as well. So we can actually have the video. So we press the button, video screen from the outside goes on into the inside. So you can actually see who's at your front door, you can actually talk to them. Now, when we go to the next step of automation, automation is generally then being able to actually maybe open the gate or the front door. So imagine that someone is at your front gate, they press the button, it goes onto the screen inside, you'll be able to talk to the person that's there. You want to let them in, so then you can press the button on the screen inside, it'll open the front gate. So straightforward, straight and easy, makes your life easy. You don't have to get up and go out and see who's at the door. You don't have to worry about then also who's out the front as well. So just some simple solutions, great ideas. All of our licensed gym security installers can perform these operations. So best to get them out, get them to have a look. It's a free, no obligation quote. So give us a call 131546 or gymsecurity.com.au.